Welcome to the Earth app. You can go through your feed and look through all the things you're doing, like words of the day. Today's word of the day is aurora, a natural light display in the polar skies. Did not know it, so I'll save it. You'll find some interesting things on your feed, like questions. Why does emotional intelligence shape personal and professional interactions? Activities like bird watching, birding, as enthusiasts call it, and even some interesting events, like on June 9th, Muskogee County in Georgia celebrated its 200th birthday. And even some interesting articles happening in the world, like hereditary angioedema, or HAE, a serious condition that causes swelling, but they face poor emergency care and experiences in long-term psychological distress. And even some more new content, like stone carving, record collecting, furniture restoration, boating, or something as simple as the piano. Keep going to explore the Earth app.